This video will discuss the Project Management Central Cloud part, Issues and Risks functionality. Issues and risks exist at the project level, so in order to access the issues and risk features, we first have to navigate into a project. Once inside of a project, we can access the information for issues and risks, or add those to the project by selecting this icon on the left-hand side in the navigation bar. From this view, you can view any existing issues or risks associated with this project, and you can also create new issues or new risks. In order to add a new issue or risk, it's the same process for both, though there is a little bit different information when submitting a new issue versus submitting a new risk. To submit a new issue, you click the New Issue button. It'll pop open with this dialog box. You can name the issue. Here, the Factor in Project Health Status checkbox allows you to indicate at the top level of the project if there is an issue with this issue. If the issue lapses, the same checkbox is available for risks as well. I'll show you where this shows up in the project in a second. Here you can change the status of the issue. The due date is what assigns this Factor in Project Health Status, so it's very important to get this accurate. You can assign the issue to anyone in your Active Directory. You can also relate this issue with a specific task that exists inside of the project. Then you can identify the category for the issue, and you can also set the priority for the issue. And we have boxes for descriptions and comments as well. Once you're done filling this out, you click Save, and it will populate in this list here. The same goes for risks. You click New Risk. There are just a few other options in here. Same checkbox here, which again I'll show you. Here we have the risk-related fields, so you can say the probability of the risk, the impact of the risk, cost that would be associated with the risk if it occurs. We also have the same opportunity to relate this at risk to a task. And then we have the description box, a mitigation plan, and a contingency plan. And then you click Save, and it will populate in this list as well. There are two places where you can see the issue health and the risk health associated with a specific project. When you're inside of the project, you can see the issue health and the risk health in the top right here. Another area where you can see the issue and risk health is on the home page at the portfolio level. You can see the project that we were in, customer website redesign. You can see the issues and risks that we were looking at when we were inside of the project as well. In order to set the parameters for when these icons appear, you need to first be inside of the specific project that you want to set the parameters for. Once inside the project, you'll select the settings gear. And from here, you can indicate which icons will appear for issues and which icons will appear for risks. That wraps up the demos on the functionality of the issues and risk features offered by the Project Management Central Cloud part. If you're interested in more features from this cloud part, you can go to our website at www.bamboosolutions.com to view the full spectrum of features offered by PMC Cloud part.